Governor. Karamata mwaso giteminya kaba kobisi nkobekereri uga. Gaki gwato konyire. Gaki abataka gwato bekeire chianga. Gaki abana baito bana na indwe mechi yaito ya nesire. Lingana liane gocha sole. Nkoi woko rwani buchire dibo irali bagali mborango kwane rambi ya mona soko nyora liba ye. Nanya koi kubago kwana lingana elimo igoro ya oli ya. Muneli ya rota kolele talia abana baito. Nyasone minus igere buone nyuwete buya. Omogaba na tigoma na nago sesemie.
Today we have convened here today to celebrate a paradigm of hope. That this scholarship has made, has catalyzed a transformative change within our county. On behalf of my colleagues, I humbly give my profound gratitude and to your vision and leadership for having seen it better that these scholars, they can be able to get a sponsorship.
We had a total student who took exams, 233. Out of 233 who took exams, Your Excellency, I'm happy to report to our champions and our parents that 80% have gained direct entry to the university.
Today we are here to celebrate the first cohort of Nyamira government full scholarship program. They have been able to go through 4 years of education. They have done exams and they have passed exams. For that, we called them here to congratulate them, their teachers, parents, and all other stakeholders. We came here handy to give you an opportunity to redefine yourself, develop yourself, succeed, and assist others to succeed. These scholarship students, we are proud of you. Some of you are tall now. I think you grow in the body and you grow in the mind.